Welcome to the lesson. We have installed WordPress and logged in to the WordPress dashboard. Now, few things we have to delete. First, we'll delete all auto-installed plugins which we do not require. So from here, we'll select and we'll go to bulk action option. We'll select delete and we'll delete all the plugin. Oops, it is not getting deleted because before deleting a plugin we have to deactivate it. Okay, deactivate, select, and again delete the plugins. Likewise, we'll go to hello world sample post, we'll delete. Pages, there should not be any sample pages. Privacy policy page, this is okay for us. Next thing, we'll have to set up the permalink for better SEO performance. So we'll go here. Tag, as of now we'll keep a sample tag, and URL will add www.extension, and the country where we are residing. So I'm from India, I'll put Kolkata. So once we add www.extension and save, then it will automatically log out. Then again we have to log into the WordPress dashboard. So login. Now let us go to permalinks, and instead of custom structure we'll select post name. Post name always create a user friendly URL, SEO friendly URL, which is easy to read. And then we'll go to writing. That we can do later. For now, we'll have to install some required plugins. First one, this is important because while customizing our website, if someone can visit our website and view everything, activate maintenance mode. So if without login to the dashboard, if someone tries to visit the website, they will see the website is under maintenance. It's on now, we'll save it. Okay, after that we'll install few more plugins. Classic editor, classic widgets, and few more plugins are there to be installed. AMP, accelerated mobile pages plugin. Schema and structured data for WP and AMP, this one for SEO, and AMP pages. AMP plugin is really good for SEO. So these plugins are installed. Now one more plugin, Yoast SEO, install, and cache plugin, light speed cache. So now we have installed all the necessary plugins. We'll select here bulk action and activate. Next thing, we'll install, one more plugin is important, because in WordPress what is happening nowadays, lot of unwanted comments are coming. Okay, so disable comments. This plugin also will install and will keep it inactive. Once website is website demo and other things are installed, theme is installed, then after that we'll activate this one. So now next thing, we'll install WordPress theme. So we'll be building a e-commerce website for learning purpose. So we'll use free theme, Ocean WP. Okay, click to install. Then once it is installed, we can see the message here, then activate. In the next video, we'll be activating the core plugin and installing the demo.